Hi everybody, it's Ashley here from Enlightened Education Trust once again. Welcome back. We are about to embark on our fourth mandala, and this time it's something very special. We've been focusing on flowers for the last two sessions, and the next step is to have an inspiration that is very similar to flowers. We're actually going to be working with butterflies as our inspiration. So I'd like you to imagine a butterfly as almost being like a flying flower. They have such a close relationship to flowers, and they also have these beautiful colors. They're very free, they're very light, they're a wonderful symbol of joy and reaching a high potential. Today, I'd like you to forget almost about what we've learned in terms of symmetry and balance, and we're going to be doing something that is a lot more free-flowing. We're going to forget about measuring things and counting things. So keeping in mind that for the last few videos, we've been looking at balance, okay, more or less. So certainly not trying to be too perfect, but we have been looking at our left and our right and our top and our bottom as being similar. So that's a symmetrical mandala. When I first started thinking about working with butterflies, I imagined doing something symmetrical. So I imagined a butterfly where the wings would be the same, have the same patterns. Of course, there's no reason why the wings can't stick out a little bit of the circle. We artists, we can do anything we like, right? So there's our symmetrical butterfly. But then I thought, if I'm going to start breaking the rules from what we've done earlier, I'm going to do something completely different. So I went on to create a butterfly that is from the side and that is really not symmetrical. Okay? What we need to keep in mind when we're working with insects is that even though they are so different, they follow the same pattern in terms of form. So that means they have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, and they have 6 legs. They usually have feelers of some sort, and a butterfly has 4 wings. If you're doing the asymmetrical butterfly, then you're only going to see 2 wings and a little bit of the side one sticking out. That's our inspiration for today. I'd like you to gather your materials, which are going to be the same as last week. And that means the food coloring, diluted, some intense forms of food coloring, a stick, please, to draw with, and a brush, maybe homemade. Also some Jik if you have, or bleach. This is optional. If you don't like using the bleach, then you can use the white wax candle as a resist. I'm going to use both today. And of course, you'll need some water to wash your brushes with and the paper that you're going to be working on. We are going to include something of what we've learned in the last few videos. So that means that you may be using complementary colors, related colors, primary colors, secondary colors, all of those. And you're going to be thinking, even though it's a very free lesson today, you are going to be still feeling and thinking into how you can combine or how you want to combine these colors to create a butterfly mandala that appeals to you, that feels good to you. So I would like you to go now and gather your materials together, and we'll meet back here to create something quite magical.